Morning everyone, myself Mr. Arman Indian, Assistant Professor, Department of Agriculture Engineering from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Now we are going to see about the factors affecting in crop production. First one, crop refers to plants sown and harvested by man for economic uses. A crop is a non-animal species or variety that is grown to be harvested as food, fodder, timber, fuel or for any other economic purpose. Crop production. It ideals with the production of various crops, which includes food crops, fodder crops, fiber crops, sugar, oil, seeds, etc. It includes agronomy, soil science, entomology, pathology, microbiology, etc. Crop production is a complex process. Its success depends on crop and environmental factors, both apart from these socio-economic and political factors also determine the success of crop production. Crop production as an art, science and business. Factors affecting crop production. Several factors affected the crop production. These factors are to be taken into consideration by a crop producer farmer during crop planning and crop production. Some of these factors are under control of a producer, where areas other can be modified for obtaining good results on the country. Some factors are beyond the control of crop producer. Factors within total control. Factors that can be manipulated. Factors outside that produced controls. Now, classification of elements are affecting crop production. Genetic and internal factors. That means genetically and internal and external factors means inside of the one kind of a crop that have whatever genetic modifications are happening, that's called genetics. It comes under through the temperature, moisture, solar energy, composition, atmosphere, soil structure and composition of soil layer, soil reaction, biotic factor, nutrient element, growth resisting substance, toxic atmosphere substance. And the genetics and internal factors. Genetics can be easily known with the development and introduction of new varieties and hybrid of cultivated crops, and consequently upon there has been a big jump in the production and productivity of crop. Variety and plant nutrient needs. It is obviously that the high crop yield produced with modern hybrid varieties will require plant nutrient more than was necessary for lower yield of low fertility constellation, and a high yielding variety cannot develop to its full yield potential. Same environmental external like the temperature, photosynthesis, respiration, transpiration, water absorption and mineral element absorption, soil microbial activity, the activity of nitrobacteria and most of the heterotrophic organics increases with a rise in temperature. Soil pH may be related with temperature, which may in turn affects the plant growth it has. The composition of soil at temperature may also allot the soil layer and the moisture and solar energy. Photoperiodism. The photoperiodism, even though light quality and intensity may be limited significance from the standpoint of field crop grown crops. Duration of light period is important. The behavior of the plant in relation to day length is termed as photoperiodism. Composition of atmosphere. Carbon is required for plant growth, and a part of that water is the most abundant material with plants and other living things. The major source of carbon for plant is carbon dioxide gas is the atmosphere. Soil structure and composition of the soil layer, soil reaction, biotic factor, nutrient element, growth restriction substance, toxic atmosphere substance. This one we have to be see about the soil reaction. It may affect plant development by its influence on the availability of certain nutrients required for growth, and the growth resistant substance. Also, normal development of plants can be restricted or stopped completely by toxic substance. Toxic atmosphere substance means that the quality of the atmosphere surrounded above gaseous parts of plants may under certain condition influence growth. These are called the external and internal growth exhibitor of the genetic modifications. In that genetics there will be two types, that which called internal factors and external factors. Okay, and thank you.